Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video and today we are going to be playing Roblox. I don't know what game to play. I'll see which game we can play. So let's go and see all the games. Okay. There's all of these games, okay? So I think we should play. I think we should play for today Ultimate Driving Simulator. I just don't feel like playing any games. If you guys don't like this game, in the comment section below, tell me what game to play next on my next video actually. Okay, let's get into this game. It's actually a kind of fun game. Some people have like really fast cars. I have a fast car. I have the Chevrolet Camaro. You're gonna see that car just when I get into a server. I don't think there's like available servers right now. I think like lots of people are playing the game, so I might not find the space. We might have to play a different game. So we'll see. Oh, we're joining the game. Yes. I was thinking too, like, if I want to get a better job by just saving money and get a better job, and then I can do a better job and get more money and then buy like a car, nice one. Tell me in the comment section below what car I should buy after this Chevrolet Camaro. And my laptop might be really laggy. Doesn't matter because my dad's gonna buy me a new laptop. It's like about £330, and I might get that. Alright. Okay, I've been spawned in. Okay, let's go into vehicles. Let's press E to go into the garage. Okay. As you can see, it says Camaro right there. And I can spawn this Camaro in. We'll just let the Camaro just spawn in. It's about to spawn in. And this is my car right here, the one I have right now. I'm thinking to save up to get a good car. What's a good car? This Camaro is like 50,000. I actually really like the Diablo, but it's too expensive. What about the Corvette? 240,000. That's expensive. I'm gonna show you the most expensive car in this game. I think that's the 121. Wait, that's 2 million. F1. This is 7 million. Wait. Let me just check. This is 7 million, so this is the most expensive car. I think this is a old Ferrari. It might be an old Ferrari. It looks like one. Let's see which. I actually like this car, the Golf. Is more expensive than the Camaro. Let's see the top speed. This is 152. This is 165, so this one is better. But let's see the cash that it will give us. This one, the Camaro, will give us 329. Let's see the Golf. 359 too. So that shows that the Camaro is actually better. No, the Golf is better. It's more expensive and it gives you more money. But I like the Camaro because it looks cooler. Don't you guys think? One of my friends has, I think it's this car. I don't think it's this one. Let me just see where it is. Okay. It's this one. One of my friends have the Raptor. I think on this Raptor looks really cool. The back one looks weird. And I actually like this car, the Viper GTS, because it looks like a really nice car and it looks like a very nice car to drive around in. But let's just spawn in the Camaro and not waste time. Okay. Where should we go? I'm gonna go right away. Do you guys want to see how fast this car is? I'm gonna show you how fast this car is. And I'm gonna put the boost on. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, this car's fast. I actually really like this car. It goes up to 200 miles per hour. Oops, I crashed. Can't get out. Okay, let's keep driving. Let's do our boost. Oh, why was I on the curve? That was strange. I have to wait. If you want to see where the boost is, you see where the miles per hour thing is. On top of it, you'll see the R and like the bar going up, the yellow bar. That's my boost. And look. Oh, I crashed again. I suck at driving. Oh, I just saw I'm in a lone server and I have 24,000. That's good. Okay. I've driven about 150 miles. That's cool. I can just keep getting a bounty because, like a bigger bounty, because there's like nobody in the server with me. No police, so they can't arrest me. So that's the best thing. Best part about this. Oh, I'm stuck. And there we go. Did I just lose a tire? Wait. Oh, my car. It looks like if my car's perfectly fine. Did you see my car like tilting a little bit? Look. Look, my car's like tilted to the side a little bit. I think it is, but I think it's not. I think I might be seeing some things. Okay. Was it stuck for a minute? Oh, I need to fill up my gas. But good thing I have a gas can, so if I run out of gas, I can just fill my car up easily. Where did the petrol station go? I think I lost the petrol station. Where I think I saw... Oh, I see the gas station on the map. Oh, I'm lagging, so that's bad. I hate lag. The lag is like the most worst thing on my laptop, and I just passed the gas station. So let's reverse. Back. Let's put our things on, our hazards. Let's not do that. That's dumb. Oh, we can get a gun. I want to get a gun. Look, can I get a gun? Oh. Oh, I can't talk to the criminal. want a gun. You don't seem to own the Game Pass. Would you like to buy it? No, I do not want to buy that. It's gonna be too expensive, and my dad's not gonna allow me because he's not gonna allow me to buy it because he's buying me a new laptop. So the best thing is gonna be not to do that. Oh, a car won't start. Hello, car, can you start up? Car. My car won't start. My car's broken. Okay. Now my car's broken. What should I do? Oh, what? Oh, I see. I think I was in the wrong driver's seat. Oh, I'm lagging again. Oh, I was in the wrong seat, so I couldn't drive. Tell me in the comment section below if you lag a lot on your laptop, because I do, as you can see. Okay. Oh, let's do boost. I want to get 200 miles per hour. So this car can get up to at least 215 miles per hour. And it gives me $329 from every mile, as you can see, it just says there. Okay, let's do boost. Boost. Oh, I didn't get up to 200 this time. I was going uphill. I might be able to now. Wait. 200 miles per hour, yes. This car can go. This car's actually really fast. I actually like it, but I just feel like buying a new one, but I don't know which one. So you guys have to tell me what car to buy next, and then I'll save up to buy that car. But I don't know which car to buy, so it's gonna be your guys' choice. I'm gonna choose one car from you guys. So let's just see. Okay. Ow. I'm about to run out of gas right now. Okay. I've got 25,000. Right now I can buy a car with that. But I don't want. I'm gonna save up like 100,000 and buy like a faster car. I'm gonna try to buy a faster car. Okay. Oh, it's got 1 point. For what? For just driving? What? I don't get that. Is there a gas station up here? I need a gas station. My car's hungry. Oh, gas station right here. Let's fill up my car. Okay. What do I want? We should go premium. There. Now my car's gonna get filled up full. Am I lagging again? I think my car was stopped because it was refilling the gas. That's why I was stopped. Let's see where I can go. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. And tell me what game I should play next, and tell me what car I should buy next. And please hit that subscribe button so I can get lots of subscribers. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next time. Bye.